Do you feel unsure about acquiring the Glucotrust blood sugar control supplement? I know exactly how it feels. There are so many products on the internet that make countless promises but fail to deliver, which creates distrust in any person. Glucotrust is a nutritional supplement formulated with the aim of assisting in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. It is especially designed for diabetics who wish to naturally and effectively control their sugar levels. Many people with diabetes already use medications and insulin to control their blood sugar, and Glucotrust can be a valuable complement to this process. How to use Glucotrust for free? Glucotrust comes with a 180-day guarantee, which means that you can purchase the supplement and use it for 175 days. If it doesn't work, you can simply request a refund. It's like going to a restaurant and only paying if you enjoy the food. Attention! Don't act in bad faith. Only request a refund if the product doesn't work for you. However, the likelihood of Glucotrust not working for you is very low, considering it is 100% natural and used by thousands of people. Remember, each body is unique, and some may see results faster while others may see them slower. Have a little patience. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to safely acquire and test the Glucotrust supplement without running the risk of receiving a counterfeit product, the link to the official manufacturer is in the video description and comments. If you have any questions, I have provided my WhatsApp number in the video description and I will be happy to answer them. Subscribe to the channel and see you soon.